Plan. May I do a cover from a cover? So, open and enjoy it. DJ Smokey. I'm just happy. Right, see. My one loved one. Who leaves the X? DJ Smokey up. Balloons are deflated. I guess they look lifeless like me. We miss you over the other side of the bed. We still got your things here. They stare at me like souvenirs. It's just another side of the bed. It's like the day that I met you, the day I thought forever. I know that it's lovely, but nothing lasts forever. It's cold outside, the day you walk on my life. But why you walk on my life? I feel like this every time. On this day it feels like you and me. Heartbreak anniversary. 'Cause I feel like this every time. On this day it feels like you and me. Heartbreak anniversary. Hope you do remember me. And I just want a letter, but just write it. So tell me how it's so. The same love one. There's a cover for your cover. Just remember. Hey, I still got my hopes up. My presents unopened up to this day. I still have all the messages that you sent. I'm foolishly patient. Can't get back the love that I missed. Don't want to let you out of my head. Seems like the day that I met you, the day I thought forever. I know that I missed you, but nothing lasts forever. It's cold outside, the day you walk on my life. Why you walk on my life? Said I feel like this every time. On this day it feels like you and me. Heartbreak anniversary.
Yes, Duzzo, big up yourself, great one. Hey, from Duzzo, may I tell you? Yes, the one that just right, my boss. Hey, well fresh. All right, straight into it. Moving on to our judges right now. Kisha Las Vegas. Yeah. Yeah. Duzzo singing for you.
I like the song choice. But I'd hope in the future that will know the song better. But for me, I'll give him an 8. It was good.
Thank you, Kisha. Yes, Nero.
A 10 for me, you know. You know what I mean? When you hear a good song, good song is good song. Doesn't always sing some song where out of the box or out of the way. We never hear him come sing about money and big house and chain and them sitting there. Them think they, you see me? But the fact they walk in and them have a paper in front of them where they present to you and say, yo, that is creativity, brother. All a 10. Nah lie.
Pick up yourself, Nero. Thank you for that. Yes, Lady Tash. But here what Lady Tash have to say. Dozen is here for you.
The vibe is just right. The man just solid. And every week you come, you just sure. It's a straight 10. From the last week, I promise you a dozen vote, you know. You say it's right about now.
Watch this.
Oh my God!
Watch this.
All right, Dozen, may I tell you?
Watch this.
Dozen vote for you, dozen.
Dozen. Holy power. Yeah.
Yeah. I took another change.
Thank you for that, Lady Tash. Hey, doesn't that mean, you know, you're going good for us? You make a judge get up and gear. You know what I mean? And money pull up, you just get, you know. All right, our general.
Yo, boss. Yeah, bad artist doesn't. Never fail we yet. You see me I deal with it for the 12 then I hope, you know, you know. Doesn't alone, you know. You over there me I deal with big song. You see me I deal, but here we go on now. Here we go on. You see original song them me I work with. Straight. You over there me I did because I know you have the potential can write some You know what I mean? Tough, different type of songs. So at that me I work it. So it's a solid 9, my God.
Yeah, man, my respect. I that the judge them there for. I make you know what I go on to.
Oh, you mean? Thank you for that, our general. Does big up yourself.